Welcome to Top Num Up. Summer is the season of sunshine, fresh ingredients, and mouth-watering meals. Today we present the top 20 incredible summer dishes from around the world. Fresh, flavorful, and iconic. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into this global feast. 20. Greek salad grease. Fresh tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, onions, and feta. A light, crunchy, and iconic dish from the Mediterranean. 19. Ceviche, Peru. Raw fish marinated in citrus juice, mixed with onions, chili, and cilantro. Refreshing and full of flavor. 18. Gazpacho, Spain. A chilled tomato-based soup made with fresh veggies. Perfect for cooling down in the heat. 17. Caprese salad, Italy. Simple and elegant. Tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil drizzled with olive oil and balsamic vinegar. 16. Samtum, Thailand. Spicy green papaya salad with lime, peanuts, and fish sauce. A Thai street food favorite. 15. Watermelon and feta salad, various. Sweet watermelon paired with salty feta cheese and mint. A perfect summer fusion. 14. Tabbouleh, Lebanon. A Bulgur wheat salad with parsley, mint, tomatoes, and lemon. Light, healthy, and delicious. 13. Korean cold noodles. Naengmyeon, Korea. Chewy buckwheat noodles in a cold, tangy broth. A summer staple in Korea. 12. Lobster roll, USA, New England. Chilled lobster meat served in a buttered bun with mayo or lemon. Coastal vibes in a bite. 11. Ratatouille, France. A colorful mix of zucchini, eggplant, peppers, and tomatoes. Healthy and full of summer flavor. 10. Vietnamese summer rolls, Vietnam. Rice paper wraps filled with shrimp, herbs, vermicelli, and veggies. Served with a dipping sauce. 9. Ajo Blanco, Spain. A lesser-known cousin of gazpacho made with almonds, garlic, and bread. Cool and creamy. 8. Italian pasta salad, Italy, USA. Cold pasta tossed with veggies, olives, cheese, and Italian dressing. A picnic favorite. 7. Shrimp tacos, Mexico. Grilled shrimp on soft tortillas with slaw and spicy crema. Light, zesty, and beach-ready. 6. Chilled soba noodles, Japan. Served with a soy dipping sauce, these buckwheat noodles are refreshing and full of umami. 5. Niçoise salade, France. Tuna, green beans, potatoes, and eggs, all tossed in a tangy vinaigrette. A hearty summer meal. 4. Cold borscht, Poland, Lithuania. A vibrant pink soup made with beets, yogurt, and herbs. Cool, tangy, and striking. 3. Mango sticky rice, Thailand. Sweet mango paired with coconut sticky rice, a tropical summer dessert. 2. Burrata with heirloom tomatoes, Italy. Creamy burrata with juicy, colorful tomatoes and fresh basil. Simple perfection. 1. Poke bowl, Hawaii. Raw fish, rice, and a mix of tropical toppings. The ultimate island-style summer bowl. Summer never tasted this good. Which of these dishes is your go-to for hot days? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Top Num Up for more delicious rankings every week.